Hey everyone, David here. Welcome to another video. Or today, I guess this is where I left off. Here. I beated him. I liked it. It was okay. It was time for me to go to Vermilion City. Dang it, why did I jump? Doing this again. I need to go to Vermilion City, get a ticket, and come back and get a bike. Because I don't like running, it's much slower. It's either this way, but I don't have cut. Learn this move. So I guess I'll go this way. Here it is. Run. Okay, so we're almost here. I hate this bug catcher, the one that cheats. Dang it. This is what Luigi tries to buy. I have a Pidgeotto, you see. And he's dead. The only battle I cannot skip is the board. I have to battle him. Why do you have really skinny shorts? Do you see that? Skinny shorts. And he's dead. Oh, he's using a rat key. This one might be a problem. Steals the wind. I'll kill them. And it was a critical hit. Awesome. I beat Yes. Let me join this club for a bike ticket. Come on. Just give me the ticket already. This is just really cool because like you can go to the bike store and buy a bike. And then there's another guy that's gonna give me a rod. I have this, like we just talk to everyone. You have to. Here the guy is. There we go, I got a fishing rod. And if we go fishing, go get a Magikarp and evolve into one of the best Pokemon. Not one of them, not like the best. Have a nugget. Wait, what? Wait. Oh. Here it is. I have to go. Let's take it old. Okay, 1, 2, didn't catch it. Okay. So I like doing this because it'll just do. Got something. Cat first. And it'll just keep on being fishes, so. There's only level 5? Why? Really suck. I'm just gonna use Whirlwind. And they always do Splash. I'm gonna use Whirlwind, and then it's gonna like blow them away. Bye. Because they learn experience, they get more experience. And girls, they fight harder. Another girl? It might be good just to defeat it. And he's dead. I think I got the S to SO. I think I. No, not yet. I'm not doing that yet. No, maybe next episode. Where I'm on a battle trip and then I get the cut. Little trees. And just skip them. I want to catch a Pokemon in here before I. Okay. Not Meowth. This is like really dumb, so I just won't catch him. I'll defeat him and I'll catch him. Wait, I know a place where I can get really good Pokemon. Now I can run. Not this place, that Pokemon Lake. Dang it! I have to run over the shop. Wait, oh yeah, I have a lot of Pokeballs. Here it is. There's a lot of people want to battle with you. Right then, guys. I'm gonna end this video here. If you liked it, click the like button. Otherwise, bye.